Hello viewers, if you want to buy a tablet of your choice and you cannot decide whether you should buy an Android tablet or you should buy an iPad, in this video I will try to clarify the best things on iOS and the best thing on Android. If you talk about Android tablets, you can customize your Android tablets according to your preference. A lot of users actually like to customize their tablets and they want to use apps like WhatsApp, Telegram on their tablet. So you can definitely use WhatsApp, but in case of iPad you cannot use the app of WhatsApp, so you have to use the web version. This might be a deal breaker for many users who want to buy an iPad. The second thing is that if you buy an iPad, you will get regular software updates and you will feel that you are using a latest tablet because all the latest technologies and also the latest customization features will be available with the new update. But in case of Android tablets, you will not get regular updates, as a result of which after a couple of months you may feel boredom while using your Android tablet. The next thing is storage. If you want to buy an iPad 10th generation or iPad Air 5th generation, you will get only 64 GB of internal storage with the base version, and if you want to buy the 256 GB version, in that case you have to pay another 10,000 rupees. But this is not the case with Android tablets. With the base variant you will get 128 GB version, plus you have the option of increasing the storage via micro SD card slot, but you will not get any card slot in case of iPad, so you have to be worried about it. But one thing is that you can use SSD or Type-C pen drive with iPad 10th generation as well as with Android tablets. Next, if you talk about the processor, in iPad you will get the latest and also the best flagship chipset. Suppose you want to buy iPad 10th generation, in that case you will get A14 Bionic chipset, and if you want to buy iPad Air 5th generation, in that case you will get M1 chipset, which is very powerful. On the other hand, within the same price bracket, let's suppose under 30,000 rupees, you will get options like Oneplus Pad, and in offers you can get Tab S9 FE Plus, but the processors of those tablets are not good enough and they cannot beat the processor of iPad. So this is a matter of concern for content creators. If you want to edit videos on your tablet, you should definitely go for iPad, because iPad can render 4K 60 FPS videos with ease, whereas Android tablets will suffer and stutter while rendering 4K 60 FPS videos. So these are some differences between Android and iOS. You should prepare your priorities before buying any tablet. Both the tablets are good, but you have to buy the tablet according to your preference and your need. Only then you can get the best out of your tablet. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel. And if you want to watch any comparison between iPad 10th generation and Tab S9 FE Plus, there are lots of videos in this channel. You can watch those videos and form your judgment. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.